Are you tossing, turning, and staring at the clock again? If you're desperate for just one good night's sleep, you're in the right place, because you're definitely not alone. Right now, nearly 70 million Americans are battling sleep disorders. That's bigger than California and Texas combined. If counting sheep has turned into counting your worries, bills, regrets, texts you forgot to answer, then listen closely. Today we're uncovering the 10 silent sleep disruptors that could be sabotaging your nights. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's standing between you and the deep, peaceful sleep you deserve. Let's dive in. Meet the sleep thieves, stress and anxiety. Ever feel like just when you're about to doze off, your brain throws a rave party? Blame stress and anxiety, the ultimate sleep thieves. They sneak in uninvited, flooding your system with adrenaline and cortisol, making relaxation feel impossible. And the worst part, worrying about not sleeping, makes it even harder to sleep. It's a vicious cycle. But to improve sleep when dealing with stress and anxiety, practice deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation before bed to calm your nervous system. Your bedroom, sleep sanctuary, or secret enemy. What if your own bedroom is plotting against you? Light pollution, noise, wrong temperature, they all sabotage your sleep more than you think. If your room isn't darker than a politician's tax return, cooler than a spring night, and quieter than a library, you might be setting yourself up for a restless night. To improve sleep in the bedroom, keep the room cool, dark and quiet, and reserve the bed for sleep and relaxation. These small tweaks here can change everything. Think that late coffee or nightcap is harmless? Think again. Caffeine revs up your nervous system like a DJ at midnight. It makes it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Alcohol pretends to help but disrupts your sleep later, leading to those lovely 3 a.m. wake-up calls. To sleep better naturally, focus on creating a calming bedtime routine, like dimming lights, reading a book, or practicing deep breathing. Chapter 4. The Power of a Sleep Routine. Your body is begging for predictability. Going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time each day helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. Flipping your sleep schedule around is like trying to reset a clock with a hammer. It just doesn't work. Set a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Your body thrives on routine, and syncing your sleep schedule trains your brain to fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. When sleep problems are a symptom, not the problem. Sometimes poor sleep isn't your fault at all. Conditions like sleep apnea, thyroid issues, and chronic pain can sabotage sleep from the inside out. We'll walk you through warning signs you shouldn't ignore, the root cause, whether it's managing pain, balancing hormones, or addressing anxiety, with the help of a healthcare professional. Eat for sleep, not sleeplessness. Ever gone to bed feeling heavy and miserable after dinner? Your food choices have more power than you realize. And greasy, spicy, heavy meals are sleep killers. Spicy foods can trigger heartburn and increase your body temperature, making it harder to fall asleep. For better sleep, reach for snacks rich in magnesium, tryptophan, and healthy carbs, like a banana with almond butter or a small bowl of oatmeal, to help relax your body and boost melatonin naturally. Move your body, sleep your best. Exercise isn't just for looking good, it's a secret weapon for better sleep. Regular movement calms your mind, resets your body clock, and builds up your natural drive for deep sleep. To improve your sleep, aim to exercise in the morning or early afternoon. Working out too close to bedtime can raise your heart rate and body temperature, making it harder to fall asleep. Scrolling TikTok at midnight? Your brain thinks it's still daytime. Blue light from screens blocks melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. I'll show you how to outsmart your devices and your cravings for just one more episode. Use blue light filters on your devices or wear blue light blocking glasses in the evening. Your sleep will thank you. Mental health and sleep, the invisible link. Anxiety, depression, and insomnia are trapped in a toxic dance. If you're struggling, it's not a willpower issue, it's a signal. Prioritize a consistent sleep schedule and practice daily mindfulness or meditation. Together, quality sleep and mental self-care create the foundation for stronger mental health and emotional resilience. Some medications you trust might secretly be disrupting your sleep. Before you panic, don't self-diagnose. Talk to your doctor. There may be safer options that protect your rest. Now you know the 10 silent thieves stealing your sleep, and more importantly, how to fight back. If you take just one small action from what you learned today, you're already on your way to better nights and better days. Prioritize your sleep. Protect your peace. You deserve it. And hey, if you found even one helpful tip here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's also tired of being tired. Sweet dreams, and watch our next video.